Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this notebook pouch thingy. So yeah, let's get started. First, trace the cover of your notebook onto a piece of paper. If you want, you could also use decorative paper to make it look nice, you know? From the bottom of your rectangle, make a mark that is 3 centimeters away from the line, and do the same thing to the other side. Then, from the line that you made to the bottom of your rectangle, make 2 marks that are 1 centimeter away from each other, and do the same thing to the other side. Then, put your ruler at an angle and draw a line to make your pocket slanted. Ugh. Yeah, my ruler wasn't big enough. Now all you have to do is cut it out. Now start folding the edges. Fold them inwards, then outwards, then inwards again, just like an accordion. A ruler really helps with this process. You can cut off any excess paper that sticks out like this. Okay, moving on from that, now take your pocket and take your book and you can just start sticking your pocket in. Any glue works. And here's the finished pouch. But I'm not really gonna stop there just yet. In this book, I write all of my recipes, as you can clearly see here. So what I did is I drew this bowl and I'm just gonna stick it on here on this pouch because I thought it would look nice. And here's the completed pouch. If you wanted to use this for any of your school notebooks, you could store notes in there or homework assignments, or if you wanted to use this for your sketchbook, you could just use you could store I don't know, spare sketches that you do or swatch sheets. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!